Hey guys, welcome back to your next solution. Let me show you how I grow this lady hair within 6 months with damaged hair due to relaxer. Okay, this is December when she came, 2025. So you can see the edges are struggling, the hair is dry, bristle is breaking so bad, guys. Okay, because due to the person who used to relax her hair, she just came from Nigeria to the UK. I bet it's 2 years when she came. Okay, so she's struggling. She used to have really long hair. She even showed me how her hair used to touch her back. You can see there. Okay, so she felt bad. She's a person who love her hair so much. I told her, don't worry, unique solution at the rescue. 24 years experience. We got that sorted with our whipped cream, oil, after combo care at home. Your hair gonna be back. Okay, look at all that damage. So I trimmed it a bit for her, then she went. So this is December when she came. She went, then she came back in May. In May now, I told her we're not gonna do relaxer because you know when you have a growing hair, your hair grows so much. Okay, but the root is still soft. It's just her hair is thick. So now we put the protein treatment for her. So this protein treatment, what does it do? It helps to strengthen that relaxer. It strengthens your hair strand, and also it helps stimulate your hair follicles, and it strengthens your follicles as well with this treatment. Okay, and then it acts like a healthy relaxer, which is gonna soften the hair. No need for chemical at this stage. You can see the new growth haven't even started coming yet, because the way I relax your hair, I will make your hair look like a natural, but it's relaxed and soft. Okay, you can see it there. Yeah, so I did the condole, then she went back. So this is 6 month care. Okay, then she came back in July. This is July now when she came. The hair is growing perfectly. The edges are grown. The hair is long. Okay, so within a year now, if she give me a year, her hair will touch her back. She doesn't need to change. If she changed to go to somebody else, they damage, and you understand, I can't keep up. But when you stick to me, you will see the results, guys. That's why I told her, give me a year, I'll care for your hair. Because when I relax you for you the healthy way, it takes 3 hours in the shop. So we charge you £65. If you want it to come with relaxer, it's £70 plus the aftercare treatment. Okay? Then if you want to buy oil and whipped cream, you have to buy that separate as well, because you need this. People just thought when you relax your hair, you leave it dries it out and it breaks it so bad. You need aftercare. You need something to help grow back your hair, because in the diaspora, you need to moisturize your hair. This weather is not designed for an afro hair. So the aftercare after relaxing is very, very important, which is this one. We mix conditioner, we mix the hair mayonnaise, and also the cleanser water. It's all mixed there with the cleanser shampoo, because the cleanser shampoo gonna help stop the shedding, where the hair mayonnaise gonna soften that hair and strengthen it more after the relaxer. Because what the relaxer does, it already weaken your hair, so you need something to strengthen it. So that's where the aftercare treatment comes in. You understand? So you can see now I oil it, I straighten it. The hair is healthy, it's so thick. You can see the top is very, very thick. Look at it, and long. You can see this December on my left hand side, July on the right hand side. Look how the hair is healthy and long. Guys, give me a year, let me care for your hair. You're gonna see the difference. Okay, we're gonna tell you everything for the relaxer combo, what to use, natural hair, inflammation, you got edges problem, we got the combo for specific hair problem. All you need to do, check the description below to order.